Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. This month I'm getting one of the big bonus boxes. You get those twice a year, so every 6 months. It comes with all your additional goodies, your carrier oils, little bottles, stuff like that. And this is the February recipe box. It does have some promo cards. I'll put all my information in the description box below if you want to save off of your first subscription. But the first item in the bonus box is some beeswax. Also have a huge container of coconut oil, some almond oil, and some liquid coconut oil. And then all these containers. So you get 6 of the, packed in there nicely. We pull one out. Roller containers, and then 6 of the little droppers. So we have the roller, and then the smaller dropper containers. That will get you through your recipes for the next 6 months. And then this is the February box. And there's a sticker, you can kind of see it up here. It says if your 1 ounce bottles look like they're only half full, it's because they are. The recipes in here, you only need 0.5 ounces. So that's why these look like they aren't quite full. So let me grab the recipe cards so we can see what we have this month. We have a Blemish Soother Roll-On. And on the back of that card, talks about how they donate 13% of the proceeds to human trafficking. So this month, the charity is Wipe Every Tear. Charities do change monthly. The next recipe is a clear skin jelly face mask. And on the back of that one, gives you a sneak peek for next month. Coming soon, there's going to be some eco-friendly preservative. Recipes that contain water naturally have a shorter shelf life. To learn how to use new preservative with the recipes in this box, check out our blog. Then we have a biphasal facial cleanser. On the back of that card is a note from Katie, who is the recipe formulator at Simply Earth. Then we have a Sugar Goop body polish. That sounds interesting. And that recipe does continue on the back because that's a longer one. Next, a Lavender Love shower gel. I bet that is awesome. And that one too does contain the recipe on the back as well. So the last one, Candy Hearts Diffuser Blend. That I bet smells really good. It has lavender, palmarosa, Peru balsam. That's awesome. And the February 2022, it shows all the essential oils, their uses, their general safety. Talks about the extras that are in the box. So let's take a look at those. So I already kind of showed these. We have some vegetable glycerin and a body wash base. So a 1/2 ounce of both those. We also have some xanthan gum for some of the recipes. They also include stickers for the essential oils, so you can put them on top in case you store them. Well, you should store them upright so you can see them without pulling out each one. And then there are stickers for each recipe if you want to label your containers. And then the first essential oil, if I can get it out, it is very well packaged. The first one is a clear skin, and that one has tea tree, sandalwood, cedarwood, juniper berry, and lemon essential oil. And we have palmarosa. Tells you what part of the plant, the origin, and then the aroma, sharp and floral. Peru balsam. Comes from the bark of the plant, pleasant and vanilla-like. And the last one is lavender. That one is fresh, floral, and fruity. So that is what I got in the February box. If you guys are interested in signing up so that you get a subscription, please check out the description box below where you can get a gift card. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.